So having worked with TREHA in the last couple of days, I had pure confidence that it would perform really well. I didn't think it would perform this well. I thought I'd really put it to the test. So what I did was I brined two chickens. I took a chicken and I did one with TREHA and one without TREHA. I brined them in a salt and sugar solution overnight with some aromatics, some rosemary and clove and thyme and garlic. And so they sat overnight. This morning came in, first thing, dried them down a little bit, and then put them into a hot oven. So what we got with the TREHA was a beautifully bronzed, plump chicken. This is the TREHA chicken. See how plump, juicy, evenly brown it is? Versus the one without the TREHA. These were both brined overnight.
Okay.
This one looks shriveled up. You can see it in the legs. You can see it in the breast.
Yeah.
It's unevenly browned.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we have is two different chickens. So this is the TREHA chicken that's been cut up into many pieces. The potatoes here have TREHA. They came out more evenly brown, a little bit juicier. They've been fried and baked. So I was pretty impressed. I thought it worked really well to have a plump bird, and it really held the moisture. And in industry, that's a very huge thing. Look how plump those legs are. Look how plump that breast is. It's a Kodak moment.